USFV Bank adds PayPal's PYUSD to deposit and payment options. FV Bank has integrated PayPal USD, PYUSD, for direct deposits and outbound payments, with automatic conversion to USD. The post-USFV Bank adds PayPal's PYUSD to deposit and payment options appeared first on Crypto News. US and Canada Bitcoin ETFs, biggest buyer versus worst loser. Canadian spot Bitcoin ETF investors have been flocking to more liquid US alternatives, triggering the largest crypto ETF outflows in Canada's history. Arbitrum DAO gains unanimous support for PYUSD protocol upgrade. The PYUSD upgrade enables anyone to participate in securing the network, removing centralized validator restrictions. Indian crypto exchange PYUSD charts recovery path after $235 million cyber attack. PYUSD has implemented a Singapore-backed restructuring plan to recover from its July 2024 $235 million cyber attack. Philippine banks collaborate to launch PHPX stablecoin on Hedera. Philippine banks are collaborating to launch the PHPX stablecoin for real-time remittances, leveraging Hedera's DLT network and cross-border payment solutions. UK Treasury separates staking from schemes, clarifying blockchain validation. The new regulation classifies staking as a technical process, clarifying blockchain networks like Ethereum and Solana. UK Treasury amends FSMA to separate crypto staking from investment schemes, effective January 31, 2025. Bybit to temporarily restrict services in India, citing regulatory developments. Indian users will be unable to open new trades or access products on the platform from January 12, though withdrawals are not affected. MEX announces USDT trading support for EU users. As the European Union prepares to implement the markets in crypto assets regulation, MiCA, many exchanges have suspended USDT services, raising liquidity concerns for European traders. Whale movements push Shiba Inu burn rate to stunning 4,100% rise. Renewed investor optimism on interest in Shiba Inu, SHIB, has emerged despite market volatility. This is due to a remarkable 4,100% surge in its burn rate within just 24 hours, resulting in the removal of nearly 21.7 million SHIB tokens from circulation. Meteoric upsurge brewing for XRP? Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse meets with Trump amid ETF hopes. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse recently sparked flames of excitement among the XRP army after revealing that he had dinner with President-elect Donald Trump ahead of his inauguration later this month.